guys, this is going to be a review on the Foreign Legion Spring FAMAS, and I bought this off of Amazon for $45, and it did not come with this scope. This is an NC Star 3x9 by 40 scope, zoom scope, and it zooms in. It's really nice, full metal. So this is a very good gun for its price. I wasn't originally going to get an L96, but they canceled my order for some reason, but I'm going to get a lot of money like in the next week or two, and I should be ordering a very high quality gun pretty soon. So this is the FAMAS. It's very nice actually. It's a bullpup rifle. This is the hop up right here. This is normal. If you move it this way, that's normal, and if you move it this way, it's hop. It has an the barrel can be removed by unscrewing this, and there's another orange tip underneath, but it looks so much better with the barrel on, so I don't know why you would take it off. I put a grip on it because I need it. Obviously has a tactical rail because I put a grip on it. It has a top tactical rail. This is the mag right here. Take the mag out, you press this mag release, and you pull it down. It holds 45 rounds, and you have to use a speed loader. I recommend buying a speed loader like this. And it comes with a stick speed loader, but it's really crappy, I don't like it. And then you have to put it in AK style to get back in. It has two metal parts. This sling right here is metal, and another sling over here, that's metal. And on the back, that it has some like teeth right there for extra support. This is the safety right here. Right now it's on safe, you can't pull the trigger, and then to take it off safe, you gotta twist this out. Twist the safety out, and then you can pull the trigger, and then put it on safe, you gotta twist it in. This gun has 370 FPS at .12s and probably around 320 with .20s, so it has really high FPS for this price, and the accuracy and range is amazing. So this probably has the accuracy of I'd say Pulsar 76. That one gun from Walmart has really good accuracy, but this gun has pretty much identical accuracy to that. So this is a very accurate gun. It has this piece right here, which is removable. One second. You can take it off. It's a cheek rest. So you have to find the grooves, and you just stick it back in. 1 second. So yeah, you gotta find the grooves, and you can just put it back in. Sorry for the annoying dog. This is the cocking mechanism right here. You have to pull it back to cock it. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. No, I can't. Alright. You have to pull it back. It's very easy actually. Very nice and smooth. So yeah, the accuracy and range and power on this thing is amazing. It would be great for long range engagements. I'd say 120 feet is the maximum. Don't use .12s, they're terrible. Use only .2s. So yeah, we're going to be doing a shooting test on it, and I'm going to be doing it on targets instead of a human, so yeah. Alright you guys, we're going to be doing something different today. I'm going to be using a can, because I'm going to really show you guys the accuracy of this gun. So this is going to be from 50 feet away, so here we go. Alright you guys, it's going to be 75 feet away, and once again the can is the target. So let's see how it goes at 75 feet. Alright, you guys, this is going to be 100 feet away, and the can is still with the target, but as you can see last time I didn't hit the can once. Well, that's okay, because you're not going to be aiming at a can in an airsoft war, you're going to be aiming at a human-sized target. So I hit the garbage container twice, so that's pretty good accuracy. So this is 100 feet, so here we go. Alright, you guys, final conclusion of this rifle. As you can see, it's really accurate. I only hit the can 50 feet away. Well, that's because it's 50 feet away. At 75 feet, 100 feet away, it was very hard, but I was still getting really close to it. So, it was hitting the garbage containers like every single time at 75 feet, 100 feet. So that just shows that it's very accurate, very capable of hitting a human-sized target at that range. I'd say the maximum is 120 feet. So, if you're using .2 gram BBs, you're fine. This is going to have amazing accuracy, so great gun for the price. So yeah, highly recommend it. I'd probably give it an 8.5 just because it's a plastic gun. Well, it's really strong plastic. The ABS plastic is really strong, so it's not going to break on you or anything. And the safety is weird, it gets in the way of the trigger. And another thing I don't like is probably when you cock it. I like the cock, how smooth the cocking is, but when you cock it, it makes a little like a weird spring noise, and it's kind of annoying, so that's what I don't like about it. 8.5, highly recommend it. So yeah, comment, rate, subscribe, and also stay tuned for our new gun film that'll be uploaded, I'd say, next week. We're going to be filming it tomorrow. So yeah, comment and subscribe. If you guys enjoyed this review, please make sure to leave it a thumbs up. And our new film will be uploaded next week. We'll be filming tomorrow. So yeah, stay tuned for more videos.